case, People versus Ricky Burdett.
Morning again, Cook for the people.
And good morning, Your Honor, to you and your staff attorney, Maxwell Dubin, P number 86012, on behalf of Mr. Burdett, who is approaching now.
Your name again, sir?
Ricky Burdett.
All right. I've been handed a plea form executed by the parties indicating that he will be pleading to count 2 of trespassing, the 30-day offense. Upon his successful plea to that charge, count 1 would be dismissed. That's the court's full understanding of the agreement.
That's correct.
Is that correct, counsel?
That is correct, Your Honor.
May I have him sworn?
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
State your name, please.
Ricky Burdett.
All right. Sir, it is this court's understanding that you're going to plead guilty to the charge of trespassing. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 30 days incarceration and up to a $250 fine plus court costs. Do you understand that, sir?
Yeah, yes, Your Honor.
All right.
May I repeat that, please? That is both 30 days probation and $250 fine?
No, the maximum penalty on the charge would be up to 30 days in jail
Oh, jail.
or a $250 fine plus court costs. You understand that, sir?
Which am I getting? I'm
Oh,
not clear on what I'm getting.
I haven't decided on that yet.
I see.
Okay, but you understand what the maximum penalties are?
Your Honor.
All right. And understanding that, do you still wish to plead guilty?
I do.
All right. And to that charge, how do you plead? Guilty or not guilty?
To that judgment?
Well,
Guilty.
to the charge of trespassing, how do you plead?
Guilty.
All right. Now you understand that by pleading guilty, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you executed an advice of rights form? I don't see one. Counsel, did you go through an advice of rights form with him?
I did, Your Honor. And for the record, Mr. Burnett, those are the rights, your trial rights that you would be waiving here by accepting this plea. Do you remember that?
You remember that? Your attorney said that he went through your trial rights with you.
Yeah, yes, he did.
Okay. And that those were your rights, that the trial rights that you'd be waiving. You remember that?
Yes, I do.
All right. Look on the podium there. If you look on the podium, right here, right there where my bailiff's pointing, that's a copy of the advice of rights form. I'll let you get your glasses.
All right.
All right. And if you look at paragraph 5, those are your trial rights. You understand that you're waiving those rights as well as all the rights that are contained on that form.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You understand you're waiving your right to appeal of right.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Are you on probation?
No, I'm not.
No, okay. Are you on parole?
No, I'm not.
No.
Your Honor.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plea?
No, they have not.
Has anybody threatened you or coerced you in any way?
Say again?
Has anybody threatened you in any way to get you to plead to this charge?
No, they have not, Your Honor.
All right. You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
And you're doing it because you believe that you are guilty of this offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. On the date of January 15, 2026, location of 3153 Ann Arbor Saline Road in Pittsfield Township, that being Buddy's Pizza. What'd you do? Had you gone to Buddy's Pizza that day?
Since then,
No, on that date, back in January.
January 15th, yes, I
Yeah.
did.
Did they ask you to leave the
Yes,
premises?
they did, Your Honor.
Did you immediately leave the premises?
I left the premises after asking if I could question what I was being accused of.
Okay. So you did not immediately depart from the premises? I mean, at some point you left, right?
Yes, I did. After I was able to challenge or ask what I was being accused of.
Okay.
I was accused of threatening people, and I asked if I could repeat what happened the time I was there prior to, and go through to see if indeed that was threatening people. And then the manager that initially said that I was threatening people said, well, you were not threatening people. You were loud and you were scaring people. And so he changed his mind on that. And then I did leave at that point.
Your Honor, with the court and defense counsel's permission, may I voir dire for the factual basis?
I could voir dire as well. I was going to say the same thing, but he can voir dire.
Whoever wants to do it, go ahead.
I'll do it. I appreciate that, Mr. Cook. And Mr. Burdett, after you left, did you then return back in after being told you were being trespassed?
He said, did you, after you left, did you come back that same day?
Yes, I did. I walked out of the building onto the sidewalk, and I immediately returned to the building, and I immediately walked back to the bar and approached that same manager.
Okay, so just so that I have it right, okay? Because I have to make sure that there's been a crime committed.
Yes,
Whatever the dispute was, you were asked to leave Buddy's Pizza at some point, right?
yes, Your Honor. I will.
All right. You did leave. Well, let me back up. You were asked to leave and did not come back, right?
Correct. Yes, Your Honor.
Then you did leave, right?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
But then you came back.
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Gotcha. All right. Thank you.
Do you want probation? Do you want jail? The judge asks bluntly. The courtroom chuckles lightly. Instead of escalating the situation, the judge says he believes the veteran is a man of his word and won't return to the property.
Counsel, have I complied with the court rule? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Absolutely, yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Sir, is there anything you want to say before I impose sentence?
Say or ask?
Whatever.
Can I ask a question before I am finally dismissed? I want to be clear on, after the judgment, I want to be clear on it.
On what?
Your Honor, I believe
If I'm getting probation after I serve the probation, am I free to leave the USA? I have an international passport. I just want to be clear on that.
I'm not going to put you on probation.
Just a fine?
That's what I was thinking. Do I need to put you on probation?
I don't even know if you've delivered the sentence.
Oh, I haven't yet, but I after listening to it, I don't know why I would put you on probation.
Oh,
You
I was going by.
plan on doing something
I was
else?
going by that sheet on signed. I don't know
Oh.
if that meant both or just either or.
Oh, it's either or.
Either or, okay.
Okay, so I can put you on probation. I could send you to jail, or I could just impose a fine. So you want me to put you on probation? What are you telling me you want me to do?
Not necessarily.
Okay, I'm just trying to make everybody happy.
Sure.
All right.
I just, yeah.
Sir, are you gonna, the last time you were in here, you remember yelling at me? You don't remember that. That's okay.
Oh, trying to defend myself
I don't know what you were doing.
without counsel?
Well, right. Well, your attorney hadn't shown up.
Yes,
And remember you were getting angry with me and I was saying, I gotta make sure your rights are protected, but you didn't like that for a moment. Remember that? Okay.
yes, Your Honor.
So, as I'm listening to you, I also realize, I think you're an Army veteran, right?
Oh, Navy.
That's right, Navy, because I said I liked you
Your
because
Honor,
you're Navy.
my other
right?
client was the Army veteran, Your Honor.
Your
My
other client was Army, the one I didn't like. Okay, yeah, you're Navy. No, all right. And so, I realize that you're upset because things weren't happening the way they were supposed to. And also, I got the impression once your attorney, somebody got here for you, you calmed down and you seemed to me to be a man of your word. That's how I viewed it. Okay. And so as I listened to this plea, I also realized that you're one to always want to make sure that the right thing's done. Am I right? Am I right about all of that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And so I don't think that I need to put you on probation. You realize you're not supposed to go back to Buddy's Pizza, right?
Ever. Correct.
Exactly.
Indeed. No,
And
that's completely fine with me.
I'm gonna trust you that you're a man of your word and that you're not gonna go back there. I don't think I have to put you on probation to make sure you won't go back there. So I was just going to impose a fine unless you want me to put you on probation and send you to jail. If you want me to, I mean, I can do that, but I don't think you want me to. Right?
I'll pass.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes. So can I pay the fine leaving the building today?
Absolutely. We will be more than happy to take your money.
Was my question about you using my international passport? Did that
Yeah,
make
no,
sense?
you asked if you can then travel. Once I finish here, the world's yours. All right?
Thank you, Your Honor. Yes.
You're welcome. Let me ask you this, sir. You're not working, right?
I'm retired. No, I'm not working.
You're
Correct.
not working. You just received retirement.
Pardon?
You receive a retirement?
Yes, I do.
Oh,
In the end, the sentence is simple: a $150 fine and no probation. Once he pays, he's free to travel, free to move on, and free from further court supervision. Sometimes accountability doesn't require jail, just responsibility.
fines and costs of $150. And I'll suspend 30 days in jail. You can get that paid today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You can pay it up at the front counter. All right. Thank you, sir. Pleasure meeting you. You
Thank
take
you, Your
care of
Honor.
yourself. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great rest of your day. I appreciate you greatly.
You do the same, sir.